Have you ever dreamt of making money online without lifting a finger? What if I tell you you can possibly earn over $257 without breaking a sweat? Are you ready to discover its secret? Today, we're going to talk about how to make money while you sleep. Get ready to learn the ultimate secret. Let's get started. Step 1. Finding your gold mine. All right, let's dive into the first step. Finding the goods to sell. Now this part is crucial. You've got two options here, Cow Data and Digistore24.com. They're like online markets where you can find tons of stuff to sew for yourself. You're picking out items to sell in your own store and explore and make money from. It is like going to a giant online mall, but instead of an extensive range of affiliate products. Why Digistore24? Because they offer commissions of up to a whopping 65% per sale. That means for every click that turns into a purchase, you're lining your pockets with even more cash. It's like striking gold every time you make a sale. So, grab your shovel and let's start digging for that treasure of profits. So, once you've signed up for one of these platforms, make sure you choose the affiliate option. This tells the platform that you want to sell things and earn commissions from them. Now, you'll want to head over to the marketplace section. Here's where the fun begins. Click on physical products and then narrow down your search to supplements. Why supplements? Well, they're a hot commodity and people are always looking for them. Plus, there's a good chance of making some decent money by selling them. Now, here's where it gets exciting. When you sell products from Digistore24 instead of Cow Data, you stand to make a lot more money. How much more? Up to 65% commission per sale. Let that sink in. So, imagine making a sale and pocketing over half of the sale price as your commission. It adds up fast. Let's break it down further. Say you make just 2 sales in a day. With commissions like that, you could easily rake in over $257 every single day. That's like having a steady stream of income flowing into your bank account without even breaking a sweat. Step 2. Scripting made easy. All right, let's jump into the next step. There is a cool tool called ChatGPT-4 for making scripts, but it costs $20 a month. But don't sweat it. There's a free option called NID-AI that does the same thing. It not only helps you make a great script, but also puts together the whole video with just a simple idea from you. For example, I gave NID a topic for a quick video, and bam! In just 3 to 5 minutes, it made up a fantastic clip. Check it out. NID-AI knocked it out of the park with this video, using awesome images and subtitles. And hey, you can get rid of those watermarks when you export it. Now, let's talk about ChatGPT-4 and 11 Labs. ChatGPT-4 is great because it can create images for each part of your script. However, it can be difficult because you have to do this for every single line of your script. On the other hand, with NID-AI, you only need to give it the main idea, and it does all the work for you. It finds the best images and video clips to match your concept, saving you time and effort. Moving on to 11 Labs. It's a tool specifically designed for creating voiceovers, but it comes with a monthly cost of $5. However, NID-AI already includes voiceover capabilities as part of its package, and the best part is, you can even customize the voice to sound like you or any other voice you prefer. This means you don't need to spend extra money on a separate tool for voiceovers when you use NID-AI. It's all inclusive and saves you both time and money. So, after all that, editing your video is not necessary. You don't need to write the script, make the voiceovers, create all the images, or pay for tons of different tools. Just use NID-AI and you'll have awesome videos like this in no time. Step 3. Lights, camera, action. Time to bring that script to life. Forget fancy editing software. NID-AI's got everything you need. It'll whip up a slick video in minutes. No hassle required. Sit back, relax, and let the AI do the heavy lifting. With NID-AI, you can turn your simple idea into a stunning TikTok video in just a few easy steps. First things first, you need to come up with a concept for your video. It could be anything you want to share with your audience, like the benefits of supplements containing lion's mane, reishi, and turkey tail mushrooms. Once you've got your idea, jot it down in a simple prompt. Now, here's where NID AI works its wonders. Just type in your prompt, hit that button, and sit back while NID AI gets to work. In no time at all, we're talking 3 to 5 minutes tops, you'll have a brand new video ready to go. Then, NID AI will take your idea and turn it into a visually stunning TikTok video that's sure to capture attention. From a captivating hook to highlighting the benefits of those magical mushrooms, NID AI does it all. And the best part? You can watch the video right then and there by hitting the play button. It's like watching your idea come to life before your very eyes. So, whether you're a seasoned content creator or just starting out, NID AI makes it easy to create professional quality videos in no time. Say goodbye to complicated editing software and endless hours spent tweaking your videos. With NID AI, the power to create amazing content is right at your fingertips. We've covered a bunch of ideas today. So far, you learned that you've got a roadmap to effortless earning, thanks to the game-changing Secret AI. Uncover your goldmine first by diving into TikTok or exploring products on digistore24.com. Each product you find brings you closer to financial freedom, with potential earnings of up to 65% commission per sale. Next, you craft your perfect script with NID AI, your personal script writing wizard. Share your ideas, hit generate, and NID AI creates a ready-to-use script. It's efficient, free, and easy to use. Finally, you bring your script to life. With NID AI, turning your script into a captivating video is simple. No complex editing software needed. NID AI handles everything, from visuals to audio, giving you a polished video in minutes. Regardless, if you're a seasoned entrepreneur or just new into the world of online earning, these 3 steps provide a clear and straightforward path to success. With Secret AI as your ally, the possibilities are truly limitless. With these steps and Secret AI, you have a powerful toolkit to achieve online earning success. Now here's the real question. Are you ready to dive into the world of TikTok Shop affiliates and start raking in those sweet earnings? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. We love to hear from you. And hey, don't forget to hit subscribe for more money-making tips from Profitability Plus. Remember, the key to success is just a click away. Let's make those dreams a reality together.